thing that makes me feel the most down is the feeling that I'm living in a ghost town. Barn door banging in my face like tumbleweed. I'm rolling around this place. I see you arriving at the station, but it's only in my